Hello student, today we are going to learn what is boiler under thermal engineering. A boiler is a steam generating closed vessel. Vessel is made of steel. In boiler, water is heated, vaporized and converted into steam at a pressure higher than the atmospheric pressure. Here, conversion of fuel may be solid, liquid or gaseous. Conversion of fuel by burning fuel in the furnace is utilized to produce steam from water at required temperature and pressure. Now, steam is used for number 1 for operating steam engine, number 2 for operating steam turbine, number 1 and number 2 is used for power generation, number 3 for operating reciprocating pump. Steam is also used at low pressure for industrial process in textile mill, sugar mill, chemical industries. Steam is also used for producing hot water required to supply to room in very cold area. Okay, now what is the actual definition of boiler? According to Indian Boiler Regulation IBR Act 2007, boiler is a closed vessel. Boiler is a closed pressure vessel with capacity exceeding 22.75 liter, more than 22.75 liter, gauge pressure greater than or equal to 1 kg per centimeter square. Gauge pressure is the pressure relative to atmospheric pressure. It is positive for pressure above atmospheric pressure. Here, water is heated to 100 degrees centigrade or above. Okay. Now, what is the specification of boiler. A boiler is specified by its evaporative capacity and the maximum pressure of steam generation. This maximum pressure is called normal working pressure. Here, evaporative capacity of a boiler is given as kg of water evaporated per hour. Evaporative capacity also measured kg of steam per hour or kg of steam per kg of fuel burned. Here, working pressure is the amount of force being applied to the internal wall of a pressure vessel under normal working condition. Here, maximum allowable working pressure is the maximum pressure at which the weakest point of the equipment, system or a vessel can handle. Maximum working pressure of the boiler has to be determined by the boiler inspector. The rule and regulation, inspection, decision on maximum pressure and other conditions etc. are under the control of Government of India IBR. Violation of any law in the Boiler Act is liable to punishment with fine. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.